Textbook 1, Setting the Viewport Meta Tag. We're going to write a meta tag in the head of each of our web pages to ensure they look good when we scale our viewport or the size of our browser window down per device, that the web page looks good. So we want it to look great at this width. We want to have it look great at this width. And we can ensure that by writing a viewport meta tag into the head of each document that says when it goes to a smaller device such as a phone, it will open up and the text will be scaled correctly. So let's go into our sanfran.html page, and we're going to put this in the head of the document between the title tag and the link tag to our external style sheet. So we're going to come in here and go meta space name equals, and we're going to put our quotes in and write viewport so it identifies it's going to affect the viewport of the page and the device. After that, we're going to give it a space outside the quotes, and we're going to write content equals, give it some quotes, and then we'll go width dash device dash width. This means it will load in at the exact width of the device and look good. After that, we're going to do a comma, give it a space, and go initial dash scale. Equals 1. This ensures when the page loads into the mobile device that it will scale with your text at 100%. The device won't try and shrink your text to fit it into that particular viewport. It'll portray as the 100% of what it should be. I'm going to save that. Check my browser. We've broken something. Let's see what we broke. Oh, we need to put our closing bracket in. So save that. Go back to our browser. It looks good. It looks great this wide. It looks great this wide. Now we need to add this to each one of our web pages on our website. This is not on our external style sheet. This has to go on each page. So I'm going to copy this. Open up our tips page, put that into the head of our tips page, save that, a file open our packages page, put that into the head of our packages page. It needs to go on every page on the site to ensure they all work well in mobile devices. Save that. Open up the index page. Save that. Go and put it on the contact page. Paste it in there. Same tag works fine on all the pages. It just needs to be on each one. Put it on the about page. Paste in there and save. I'll check a couple of the pages in the browser to make sure it's working okay. About Us looks great and small. Tour packages, that looks good. Travel tips. Contact. So that is setting the viewport meta tag so that your pages display equally as well in smaller devices such as phones as they do on a wide web page on a computer and a web browser.